You're supposed to be playing with your cars.
There was this guy yesterday.
So you really expect me to believe that the same guy rented your house?
All he's worried about is the TV. I thought she was playing. Mommy's showing the whole world your YouTube video. No, it's a video. This is all his cars. His Dynaco cars. He has a Little People train, a Hess truck. He has, who's this? Rebel's truck?
No.
Whose truck is this?
Rocky's truck.
This is Rocky's truck. He has all these. He got the Minions, Despicable Me truck. He has a double-decker truck. He goes like this.
I want the big plane. I want
He has all his cars. He has a Little People. Fire truck. He has an airplane. See? And everybody comes in. Come on, all the passengers in the plane. You are playing.
Uh-oh, ouch. I'm stuck. Now I'm